Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the SANDA Model 6210 watch. I got this off of AliExpress for $23.78. As with all my videos, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item or they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Wow, look at this thing. This is cool. If you have never bought watches off of AliExpress, you can get some pretty cool items out there, relatively inexpensive. I like trying these different watches. I like the look of this one, and I like the fact that it has a thermometer value on it. Now, I don't know how to use it, but I do have a watches channel. I will link some videos of the settings of this watch once I figure it out. I will also put a link to this item in my description. I don't get anything if you use the link or not. It's just a direct link to the seller I bought it from. I've never had a brand SANDA watch before, so this will be my first experience. I have 6.5-inch diameter wrist. Wow, this thing is nice and comfortable. Has one keeper on the strap. Instruction manual. Has plastic on the crystal. I will pull that off. Also has a piece of plastic protecting the case back. I'll show you. All right, so that's a quick unboxing of the SANDA Model 6210 watch. I'm going to put a link to show you some of the settings and features of this watch. As always, I hope the video helped, at least gives you an idea of what does it look like should you decide to order one. Thanks for watching.